This is the Qila Cordless Rotary tool. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got your spindle lock for tightening your collet. It's got the USB-C port for charging. It's sealed nicely. A little hefty, got a good battery. It's got 4 speeds. The lowest speed is pretty weak. It's only for the finest points, like for engraving and such. The upper speeds are pretty powerful. Number 2 is good if you're like sanding plastic or grinding it and don't want to melt it. You've got your wire wheel, your drum sander with the sleeves. Stick a sleeve on it. Tighten it up with the included screwdriver at the end of the wrench, and it swells it out and grabs it. You've got some burrs and engraving cutters, some buffing wheels, grinding stones, dressing stone for the grinding stones, a couple of drill bits, and another high-speed cutter. 2 more collets, one is in the thing. So you have 3 collet sizes altogether. Here you've got some sanding discs and some cut-off wheels. Be sure and use eye protection. These things shatter. There's the mandrel for them. It also has a USB-C cable for charging it. This green light means it's fully charged. When it matches that color green, it's hard to tell. The amber sometimes looks green. Amber means it's medium charge. Red is low. The flashing lights tell you where you are in the charging process. Almost there. So on the number 1 speed, bogs down. It's not made for spinning a large diameter bit. Number 2, a little bit better. Still bogs a little. Number 3 is pretty good. And number 4, that's got your power. This is the strike for a security screen door. The latch was a little too snug. That's where this thing excels. This is about the only way to adjust this. No extension cords, made quick work of it. It doesn't come with a case, so one of the first projects I did with it was to cut the partitions in this cheap box from Home Depot. The box is 6 by 9 by 2, and it fit everything perfectly. Makes a nice package.